For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow.
Oh, snap.
That nobody can really stand. No, I'm kidding. Thank you, Wilson. So we just wanted to thank you for all your hard work. It's been a really busy past month or two with dealing with the home quarantine and dealing with editing videos and going back and forth. And we just wanted to do a random act of kindness just to show our appreciation to you. We know that you love whiskey. Yeah. This is some good stuff. Cedric wanted just to go ahead to go to 7-Eleven and buy you the stuff in the paper bag. I said, no! This is Jesse we're talking about. He is a member of the team. Thank you. This is some 18-year Oban. Hopefully you and the missus will enjoy that.
Holy smokes. I'll be enjoying this all by myself, actually.
That's right. You know what? Don't share. I wouldn't even blame you.
It's like a
no
Father's Day gift, too.
Oh, yeah, that too. That's what you thought about. That's exactly why we did this. That's exactly why we did it. All right. So, Wilson gone. Okay, so today's video is going to be a lot of fun. I do not like potato salad. And I have not liked potato salad in quite some time. And it's because of the mayonnaise. So, growing up, going to the cookouts and barbecues, everyone's always telling, get the potato salad ready. I would be like gagging. That plus chicken salad and macaroni salad. Oh, I would hate it. But I could always put up a good front just because, you know, being black and being from the South, I mean, you have to like some potato salad. I don't. So today I thought, you know what? We are going to confront the foods that I dislike this year. Finally, we're going to confront them. And we're going to turn it into something that perhaps is more calorie conscious, but also something that I would actually like. So if you find yourself out there kind of like me and you're not really a fan of some of these foods, traditional foods like this, then we can eat together, okay? I'm going to show you how to make an amazing potato salad. Hold on. Today, I'm gonna show myself how to make an amazing potato salad. All right? You ready to go?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. The difference with mine is that I really like texture in all of my salads, right? So I wanna make this one a little bit crunchier. So for the crunch, we're actually gonna air fry these red potatoes, and we're also gonna add in a little bit of crispy bacon. All right? So, first thing we're gonna do is prep our taters. You're gonna wash your taters. I like to get the fingerling ones. We're gonna chop these up. Boom, I like to quarter mine. And the beauty of this dish too is that I'm making it calorie conscious so that you can also enjoy it for your meal prep. We're going to use a high smoke point oil. This is some avocado oil. Now we're gonna take the FitMenCook Southern Creole Cajun blend, or you can also use another low sodium Cajun blend. This one's good though. And we're going to sprinkle this on. We'll add in here some salt and some pepper. And then we're just gonna get our hands dirty. Just make sure that every single potato is covered in some seasoning and a little bit of oil. That's really important. Okay, perfect. I think they're all covered and really nice and well seasoned. Love it. Okay, now we're gonna grab our air fryer basket and add in the potatoes. And try to spread them out as much as possible, let them breathe. If you want, you could do one more quick light spray. Boom, that's all you have to do. And then just a little pinch of some pepper and a little bit of salt, since they're spread out now. We're gonna take this and we're gonna air fry these potatoes for about 20-25 minutes at 400. And if you need to boost up the temperature, boost it up. Okay, so the next part of this, as the potatoes are cooking up, we're also gonna fry up some bacon. So set a skillet on high heat, and once it gets nice and hot, we're gonna toss in some bacon. If you're not a fan of bacon, you can skip this part, or you can use some turkey bacon. You can also use some beef bacon. I just found out there's duck bacon. My budget wasn't having that though. Ooh. Yeah, duck bacon apparently is really good. But it was like $2 more, and I was like, ooh, no. Won't be spending that $2. Here we go. Take it. And I like mine with them dark edges. I needed it to be crispy enough to chop up, that's why. So.
Did you know that Bruce Lee had a vegan brother? Or a brother who was vegan?
Okay.
You know that?
Am I going to guess the brother's name?
Have you heard of his name before?
It's not bok choy, is it?
No.
Take this out. What was his name?
Broccoli.
I'm mad I didn't think of that one. That's good. Broccoli. We're gonna wait for this to cool off. We're gonna put some eggs in our potato salad. Probably cut these up the same way I've been cutting up the potatoes. I like to quarter them. And if you need them to be a little bit smaller, you can do that too. And now, the bacon's nice and crispy. And after about 20 minutes, whew, these look nice and ready to go. Boom. And right into a bowl. And we're gonna make this while they're fairly hot. Let them cool down for a few seconds and let the steam around them create a little bit more moisture. And just so we have proof, let's see how. Oh, that's exactly why. So the poll so far is 66% say yes, pickles in potato salad. So instead of the fresh dill, we're gonna add in some pickles. I'm gonna trust y'all's taste buds. So now we're going to mash it up. So I've got this little fancy masher here, and we're just going to also use a fork. So don't mash them up too much. You just want to crush them just a little bit so you can release like some of the creaminess in there. And then also it'll help everything when we're mixing all of the different flavors. This is some olive oil mayo. Cut it with some Greek yogurt. Let's chop up the eggs a little bit more here. And in go the eggs. Some red onion. Take some of our dill pickles. I'm gonna dice these up. A little bit of Dijon or some yellow mustard. And then of course, top it off with some crunch with some bacon. Boom. Now, let's try to fold everything together and see what comes of it. Top it off with a little bit of sea salt and some pepper. Now we're gonna let this rest in the fridge before we go and try to taste it and bring everything together. But I had an idea. This is optional. This is very southern. What about a smoked potato salad? Get yourself some hickory chips or whatever type of chips that you want. These are hickory. These are literally super cheap on the internet. And then just put the stuff in there. Seal it as best as possible. All right, then turn it on. That's just air. Now I'm gonna light it. Place this in the fridge to cool down for at least 20 minutes, until everything is nice and frosty. And, ooh, nice and chill, at least a touch. Let's see. Now this is best made overnight, Jesse, so don't kill me if it's still a little bit warm. Here we go. Oh, you see that? See some smoke still coming out of it? Oh, whoa. All right, let's get ready to taste this bad boy. It looks amazing. Okay, all right. Let me get myself ready. Dun, 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 dun. Look at the potatoes. Wow, so we're gonna finish this off with a little bit of sea salt and pepper, or you can add in a sprinkle of the Southern Creole blend. Whew. All right, so there's this saying in the Black community, you are invited to the barbecue. And I wanna know if this can actually make not just any barbecue, but the family reunion barbecue. So I'm gonna taste it first, and then we're gonna invite Wilson in here to taste it, and we'll see. In fact, you know what we should do? Let me call my parents and show them. Let me get my parents on FaceTime, and let's see the reaction. Hey, Dad.
Hey.
Okay, now you're on camera, so people can see you now. So you have to tell me, can I bring this potato salad to the barbecue? There we go. Why you barking like that, Dad? Oh, Lord.
What is that? Oatmeal? What is it?
It's a salad.
Well, in the words of your grandma Irene, don't do my
Okay, Mama, we gonna see. Y'all are just too tickled by the fact that mine looks like this. I knew it was a bad idea to incorporate my parents. Oh, you dropped it.
Good. It's a nice smoky flavor. That's good.
Okay, but besides the smoke, though, what about the texture?
It's crunchy, like the bacon.
You taste the seasoning?
Like pieces of egg. It's good.
It's good? Okay. Hold on, let me tell my parents. Just real quick, Wilson tasted it, and he said it tasted good.
Where is Wilson from?
Anyway, I just want to say that Wilson said, I can't bring it to the barbecue, but I can bring it to brunch.
That's right. He can't bring it to the barbecue, Wilson.
Okay, Dad. Thank y'all very much. Without tasting, thank y'all.
Wilson's also your employee, so he got.
Bye, Mama. I'm glad you're feeling better today. A baked potato salad. There we go.
That smoky flavor. Yeah. That's what sets it apart.
Okay, but
Okay,
the texture
and the dill pickle.
and the dill.
Mm-hmm.
But it's a good flavor though, right?
I personally would pick it over regular potato salad. Just to...
For real? You would pick it? Thank you. So so I got two people here. Don't listen to the haters from the FaceTime. They don't know. Cool Kev is gonna go ahead and taste some for the internet. Yeah. This is a good time. This is hitting. I'm sorry, this is hitting. You got the smokiness. Even if you didn't smoke it though, I like the tartness and the tang from the pickles. I like the saltiness. I like the little Cajun, the Cajun little kick right there at the very end of it. It's super creamy, it's satisfying, and again, it's textural. Sometimes you gotta get out of your own comfort zone and flavors to know good food. And I'm not talking about anyone in particular, I'm talking to Mom and Dad. Wilson said we can't bring it to the barbecue, but we can bring it to brunch, and I will take that any day. If you like videos like this, then I invite you to smash that like button below. Let us know that you like the content. And also, if you have made tater salad, I want y'all to comment below. Keep it clean, keep it nice, and keep it friendly. You know, give a brother a break. And I want you to share your tweaks to this recipe or what you do to make your tater salad really good, but while also keeping it calorie conscious. All right, guys. Oh, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and to ring that bell so that way you can be notified every time we post hot new content here in the FitMenCook kitchen. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I want you to keep it healthy, but of course, never, ever boring. Boom! Bye, y'all.